Hello everyone. I am going to show you how to create groups so that you can easily assign those groups to Class Connect sessions. So typically we log in with TotalView School, but this time I'm going to have us log in using the OLS. So from K12.com, you're going to click on the OLS and you're going to log in using your same username and password. And then from there, notice that you'll have your list of classes, and then where you see in the student tab, you have down here where you have my groups that you could select. So I'm going to go ahead and go from students to my groups. And then I already created mine, so I'm just going to show you how to create a new group. You just click on over here, create new group, and then you choose your group name. I chose to call mine the based on the intensities. So you would just call your group whatever you wanted. And then where it says select members, on the left-hand side where the window pops up and it says add people, you're going to filter by the school. The role is going to be the students. The classroom is whichever classroom you are trying to do your groups for. And then I just left this alone, and then I click apply, and then that will filter my students, and then from there I can just select those students that I want in that particular group and then click on save and close. So then in TotalView School, you just click on the Class Connect link, and then you click on create new session, and I'm going to choose the small group option. Click continue, and then you type in your session name and the subject. And remember to use your course program, this course ID, as your course program for tracking purposes. And then you can do underscore REQ for required, or OPT, I believe it is, for optional. And then you change the times. I'm not going to change mine for the sake of this video. Click continue, and then under select a role, you're going to choose students, and then filter by my groups. So notice my groups showed up, so I can pick one of my groups that I'm going to be adding to this particular Class Connect, and then you're going to click search. From there, you would just you can hit Control A to select all the students from here. Make sure you click on it to add the students, to invite them, and then click continue, and then you can double check to make sure that you have invited the correct people and it's for the correct time, etc., etc. Also, another thing, you want to also include teachers for your high intensity groups. I know those are, particularly the ones that intervention specialists are going to be paying attention to. So how I would do that is I would choose teacher, my classrooms, and then pick the classroom and then search, and then you would add the teacher to that. I know that the instructional supports are going to uh, want to be invited to these. So then you would choose your instructional support from this list, and then um, add that person to to that as well. And that is how you invite groups easily in Class Connect, and how you would add teachers and how you would add administrators. Have a wonderful day.